can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you.
Hi guys, and welcome to a new vlog. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sancia. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. Where are we going, babe?
Who knows?
Oh my god, are we going exploring?
No.
Who was this?
Yeah.
Anyway guys, so Babe and I are going on a little date night. I have no idea where he's taking me, so it's like a surprise. Oh my god, it's like a little surprise. So in the meantime, if I do a montage in this next clip, do enjoy it. Enjoy the scenery, the view, what Barbados has to offer.
When I grab you with the jabata, I know get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Ricky man, we do get bada. What's it go? You are go, all depend. The cash, brag, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all depend.
You know what?
A single?
Oh, what's on the cigarette, man? Me? I was singing. I know. I just saw an airplane, and I was like, "I'm gonna let an airplane, girl." And this was like how the fuck? I just seagull. Ah! Oh my gosh.
Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until
So we just left.
It's too dark.
Thank you. We just left this old house, which was very big to me for our date night. How was it? How was it?
Nice, to be honest.
Yeah, I definitely highly recommend. The food was excellent. Customer service was really good. When we do go back, it would be my treat to Babe. But I think I can get the mashed potato with the ribs because he had the ribs. Them things was busting. Like my chicken was alright, but then ribs was the thing. So I ain't too sure where we're going from here. But we will just update you guys when we can. Say bye.
Bye.
And do that. Alright, y'all. So we just got home. I am so tired. I am so sleepy. Like I would have spoken to you guys earlier to let you know that the restaurant was called This Old House. It was really good. Highly recommend. There's actually more restaurants that I want to try. So hopefully like over time I can like try them and let you guys see and rate them and let you know like what I think. But definitely go back there again. I really want to try the mashed potato and ribs. But anyways, gonna take off this makeup, do my skincare, have a nice shower, and hit my bed. I'll probably watch some more animated horror stories. And yes, you heard it right, I like horror stories and movies and what's not. I really do, and books. I found this channel on YouTube called Mort. He has some really good true horror stories. And then there's another one that I'm watching now. I think it's Martin Animation, can't remember. But if you're into horrors, definitely check those out.
Probably not. Nobody watching you.
No, I actually look back. You ever give me a movie down phone? Yeah. So whenever I get in this Jeep, right, my phone always seems to slide down the side. In this case, it is my phone and your heartbeat don't easy. It is my phone and my camera battery, which I had on top of here. I like how he feels, look.
You should know better. Everything you getting.
But you ain't give me a chance to actually like get the thing.
From
Yes.
Sit. All that stuff should be in your hand.
But you ain't give me a chance to like grab it for off of there.
You ever hear about being prepared? You ever hear about being prepared? If you're not prepared, then prepare to fail. And that's what's happening every time you get in here. Each time.
But you didn't give me a chance to grab it. It's what he was trying to say.
What you should do? Go in your hand.
You can't go in my hand without give me a chance to grab it.
I'll give you a chance. You got all the chances in the world.
Anyway, guys, so I'm pretty sure that I gotta wait until we get to the beach, right?
Nope.
Huh? Oh, you pull over? He's so nice. Are you so nice?
Nice.
You're so nice.
Nope.
And that's like I should get my phone and my camera battery. Where is it? I can't find it. We got plastic back on here.
Sancia, find your stuff.
I can't find. Oh, alright. I think I find phone. Okay, I got it. Alright, y'all. So phone and battery secured. Huh? Okay. About to make our way to the beach. The beach. Come on, vámonos.
Everybody, let's go. Head it.
Come on, let's get to it.
Where are we going?
Hills Beach. Where are we going?
Hills Beach.
Where are we going?
Let's get it.
Dun, 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 dun,
You look weird shit.
Whee! Alright, so to those of you who live on the island, if you have never been to Hills Beach, it is the beach right by, it's Port St. Charles, right? Port St. Charles. I deem that as the best beach on the island only because of how peaceful and how beautiful it is, and it's also, well, I would say peaceful anyways, but because of how peaceful it is. But if you are not from the island, if you do happen to come to Barbados, I highly suggest you visit Hills Beach in St. Peter. It is absolutely beautiful.
Trapping like a narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna, bouncing off and I'm trying to weep an anaconda, jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water, got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald, out, bag of money, know I gotta have it, savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali, Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage, kill this whole family, they run off with the package, I just put a pack on the way to Bogota, fuck his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw, I'ma watch y'all, I don't know if he'll talk, get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off, they know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring, investigating, taking pictures of the whole thing, undercover trying to do his thing, 10 mil on the bike, won't strip them in a team, trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco.
Okay, so we just arrived at the beach. I am not going to take my camera because I do not want any sign, etc., or my camera to get damaged. So if the footage in the next clip is a little bit weird, I apologize. I'll film from off of my phone, but I'll check it with you guys very soon. Say bye vlog. Or still, say see you soon. See you soon, guys. I asked you when last we come to the beach. We. Good. Hey, strong.
I know big. Hey, strong. A Scorpio.
That's a pretty big one. Oh, my looking time.
Had a gusty bath. Yeah, I had a gusty bath, so just afterward I started to get a little seasick. But we heading back home, get some pizza and mozzarella sticks. Right, baby? I can eat. Even though I would love a roti, but anyways, I was settled for pizza and some mozzarella sticks. So I will check in with you guys. This one feels good though.
This on it, chicken?
It feels good. I'll check in soon. Talking about water was warm. Even the people that actually came in that stuff was screaming.
Them big.
That's not good.
Oh, man, it's in a big.
I am not lazy.
Everything gonna be in strong. She'll feel.
But until you stand up in the water, you didn't want to stand up in the
Shut the fuck
water. You shut the fuck up.
Yeah, same. Turn. Good.
Thank you. But I have a lot of fun. Because everybody, coming to the beach. We usually come to the beach a lot earlier. But Richie was still sleeping, so that's that. Can I put your hair? Yes, I can. You're nasty. So we are on our way.
And now we go home.
Let me see. We got plan 8 today, so where? Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
Cool. You be cool.
I can be cool just but outside it really is like outside hot and humid.
But I got the outside. The last one outside. Good.
Sahara?
No, the outside. The outside evening. That is falling. Alright.
Thank you for informing me to grab
Yeah.
the phone first before moving on.
Oh, for sure.
Yes. Oh, that's all for me.
I got a lot of it.
You got that.
The face there, that nice face there.
See us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.